Hello and welcome to Tech Thursday, where we talk about tech news. I'm your host, Daniel Baggy, but before we start, attention! Did I get everybody's attention? Hopefully. If not, that's unfortunate. Anyways, September 7th, Apple will launch its newly redesigned iPhone 14 along with another product. Who knows what that product is? I guess you're just going to have to ask Apple. A couple weeks ago, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, upped the price of the Meta Quest 2 from $300 to $400. A lot of people were upset about this, but based on the fact that the technology in this is upwards of $800, I think it's not a big deal because they were losing billions of dollars, so if anything, it was just a good decision for them. Other news from Meta: Project Cambria, Meta Quest 3, Meta Quest Pro, all the really same thing. It's suspected that it's going to be launched early 2023. Not confirmed, just speculated. So we don't know, but if that does happen, that's around the same time that the highly anticipated PlayStation VR 2 will be releasing. So there might be some competition, if I should say so myself. So it will be nice to see that happening, and we'll talk about it on the show. Other news: Asus Zenbook 17 will be launching August 31st at 5 a.m. Pacific time. If you don't know what that is, it's a laptop with one screen. When I mean one screen, it's one screen. There's no keyboard. It's one nice 17.5-inch OLED screen. Very cool. So cool that next Tech Thursday, I'm going to talk only about that. If I missed some big tech news that you really wanted to see, make sure to email techthursday@gmail.com, and I will try to get you in next time. Until then, bye-bye.